A very good morning to all the parents and my dear students. I welcome you in the new session. I hope you are doing good. So, as you are in KG class, I am your new class teacher Priya Miss. And as you are all aware to the coronavirus, you cannot come to school. No problem. We will meeting online, right? Today I will give you new syllabus and you will note down the syllabus very carefully. My dear students, I want to tell you, whenever you go, you wear mask, and when you come back at your home, wash your hand. Stay safe at your home. Take care. God bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye. We'll meet soon.